Let us cook, everyone. Homemade potato chips, chicken wedges, delicious taste for Friday fry up. Guys, today we are going to make some potato chips. So we're just gonna use this a lot of potato. So we're gonna make some potato chips. So we're gonna peel. I need the large thick potato chips. We're gonna make that for tea today. So we're just gonna peel our potato. Guys, we're gonna do some deep fry our potato now, and this is, I'm using my wok because it's quite deep and it's good for frying. So I'm put a lot of oil in it, and the oil is very hot, so we're gonna test our oil. I'm gonna drop this potato in and just let it deep fry. I don't want to burn myself, so I think I'm gonna get something else to put them in. So we're just deep frying our potato. You don't have to buy the take out the shop to do deep fried potato. Just let it. That's a nice way to do deep fried potato. You can also do deep fried chicken. This is why. Look at that. So now we're just gonna move our potato to make sure they're all down in the oil. You want them to all cover. And this is our deep fried potato chips. Some gone are really brown because the oil was really hot, so some gone really brown. Not well. I've done them like this before, but I've done them in deep fryer. But I'm gonna try the pan fried potato chips. I'm trying that today. Now our chip is finished, and we're just gonna remove them from the pan. They're gonna be golden, but don't worry about them. We're just gonna drain them. The lovely, nice chips. Turn out well. There we go. And if you have another portion, you can just dump it in there as well. So now our chips are done frying, and we're just gonna leave them to drain for serving. Now we are doing some chicken strips to go with our chips, and I'm using boneless chicken thigh to do the chicken strip. So we have some chicken season and paprika in here, and we're just gonna place that over our chicken. And I'm going to get some powdered ginger. I'm gonna put on the chicken strip, and we're just gonna season all of these. Add a little of the powdered ginger left there, and we had some garlic. Grate the garlic very fine. 3 clove garlic, grated. So we're making some chicken strips. It's more like you're having chicken nuggets. And we have some lemon juice. It's 1 teaspoon of lemon juice I'm pouring over. And here is some oil, vegetable oil or olive oil, which is your choice. And I'm just pouring that over the chicken. We're gonna put this in the oven. So you just massage, season that all in. And here we have some breadcrumbs. So we're gonna put the breadcrumbs over it to give it that nice crispy flavor. My son called it chicken goujan. So you just coated the chicken in the breadcrumbs. So trying to coat the chicken nicely into the breadcrumbs. You don't want the breadcrumbs on the bottom of the tray. You just want the breadcrumbs on the chicken. So you make sure everything is on the chicken. And now we're going to place this in the oven. So we're taking this to the oven now to get it done. In the oven, and we're gonna leave that in for about 25. We check on it every 10 minutes, so it's gonna take about 25 minutes to done. This is our potato chips, homemade potato chips, and it's now finished. And this is our chicken strip that I've done in breadcrumbs in the oven. And this.
Hello guys. So basically, my mom, right here, this beautiful woman, has created this delicious dish. It's actually a big Friday fry-up, what we call it.
Yeah.
And so we basically got some nice chicken goujons, nuggets, or strips, whatever you guys want to call them. And then we've got some nice potato fried chips.
Yeah.
And we've got some nice healthy salad on the side.
To put a bit of health in it. So here we go, we have the nice homemade potato chips. And what we're gonna do with this, we're gonna try them, because every time we cook, we don't try them to let you see. But believe you, they are lovely. And it's nice that you can just get some potato from the shop and just chop your own chips and fry them to your likeness. You choose your sauce, your mayonnaise, your sauce that you want, tomato sauce. We just put some sauce beside it, and we're just gonna have a go and try these lovely, delicious chips. So I'm gonna dip some on my sauce. Nicely, yummy. Great taste. Lovely. Sitting down on Friday, coming tired. Give this a go.
It's really quick, and the good thing about potatoes are they're cheap, easy to cook, don't take long to cook, and you can make loads of stuff with them.
And as for our chicken strip or chicken nugget, they're quite big for chicken strip, but they're the size. They're nice and juicy.
So now we're going to try them.
So now we're gonna try them. Yummy. Good taste. Sitting down Friday, you want something to eat.
The ginger really
The ginger and the lemon give it a nice taste.
And you can have
Just whatever you like. But remember, try this homemade potato chips and chicken strip, or if you want to call it chicken wedges, whatever you want to call it. It's just something new. Remember to use boneless chicken thigh. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy! Please remember to like and subscribe to Creative's Kitchen to receive video every week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Send your comments.